Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rob from Dunningville Loft. I'm going to toss these birds. This will be the first toss. It's they're young bird. They're late hatches last year, and they just won't fly. I let them out. They circle around the house, and then they land. And then they just walk around like pigeons at a park. So I think this maybe will motivate them. This is only a half a mile directly behind my house. My house is right over that tree line there. So hopefully they'll do their thing. The wind's coming straight out of the north, probably about 15 miles an hour. So we'll see what they do. Been in the basket. Be the leader. I don't think you're the leader. Come on. Go. Fly right into the freaking traffic. That's always good. I still got one in the box. Oh no, I got the other box. That's what it is. Yeah, they're going the opposite way of the house. Now we got crows all over them. But they're flying. So. Totally the opposite way of the house. No. I think this was a group of 7. At least they're flying. That's the main thing. I only see 5. Maybe no, it's 6. Maybe this was the 6. There was a group of 7 and a group of 6. There's 13 total. That white cock that's down there, he's an old cock. He's not even, I'm just wondering if he's even going to settle. So he might be kind of lagging because of that, or not in the group. But this is the only way to really get him trained. So I'm going to sit here and wait for a little bit and let you know what happens. I got another group of 6 I got to let go. So I'm gonna watch these until they do something, and then I'll let the other group go and